Welcome to the fourth lesson of the chemical changes topic. In this topic, the key question is 1. What are strong and weak acids? Key terms that you need to be familiar with: strong and weak acids. In today's lesson, we will talk about strong and weak acids. Task. Now please pause the video and think about what is special about water. Hint. Look at the diagram above and think about the H atoms involved in a water molecule. Extension. How can you describe the dissociation of H2O molecules? Now let's discuss these together. H2O molecules include two H atoms that have a partial positive charge and a partially negatively charged O atom. Water molecules are therefore polar molecules. When pure water is observed, the majority of the particles are neutral H2O molecules. However, some of the molecules can dissociate via the following equilibrium. The more accurate equilibrium involves two H2O molecules, as follows. Whichever form we choose, the neutral water molecule dissociates into an H positive and an OH negative ion in 1:1 ratio. With this charge, neutrality is maintained, and it is also clear that water acts as acid and base at the same time. This process is called autodissociation. Only a tiny fraction of the neutral molecules will be in ionic form. The equilibrium is described by the following equilibrium constant. However, the H2O concentration is constant and much higher compared to H positive and OH negative. Therefore, it can be combined into the K as follows. This parameter is called the ionic product or autodissociation constant of water, and its value at room temperature is Kw equals 10 to the power minus 14. This means that at room temperature, 298 K, H positive equals OH minus equals 10 to the power minus 7 mol dm minus cubed. It's important to know that Kw depends on the temperature. Task. Now please pause the video and try to describe weak acids and weak bases. Hint. Remember, strong acids donate a large percentage of H positive ions when dissolved in water. Extension. How can you describe weak acids mathematically? Now let's discuss these in detail. Strong acids are acids that fully dissociate into an anion and H positive. When an acid only partially dissociates into protons and anions, base pairs, that is a weak acid. Therefore, the major difference between strong and weak acids is that strong acids fully dissociate, while weak acids only partially dissociate. The extent of dissociation can be described by the dissociation constant, Ka, that is the equilibrium constant of the acid dissociation equilibrium, as follows, where Ha is the concentration of undissociated acid molecules.